Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. So we all know about wipes, but what of wipes that can tell you that you're sick? Here's the story of Lifesavers, a Jamaican company that makes wipes that can tell you if you're sick. An idea that moved from concept to reality in less than a year, Lifesavers Wipes hopes to make paper products functional.
It actually is a wipe that can detect health abnormalities in the urine and can indicate to the user if something is wrong, so that the user now can get early medical attention. So it acts as an early warning device.
Conceptualizer and team lead at Lifesavers, Georgia Crawford Williams, says the company's first product could detect the onset of diabetes.
What you normally do, which is to urinate and then use a tissue or a wipe, can tell you if it is that your glucose levels are too high, and so you know to either change your behavior or go seek medical attention or just to test how high it is so that you can know what is happening.
The wipe should reflect a change of color within 25 to 90 seconds. Lifesavers was created in local labs at the University of the West Indies, Mona, with the aid of chemist Dr. Peter Nelson and Shannon DaCosta. Dr. Nelson explained that the product has a high rate of accuracy.
It's highly unlikely that they will give you a false color change because you need glucose to be present. If you get glucose on it from somewhere else, you'll get a color change. But if you ensure that only your urine comes in contact with the wipe, and there's a color change, the glucose must be coming from the urine.
Lifesavers has also gained international recognition, being nominated among the top 3 global innovations of 2019 to 2021 as part of the International Design Excellence Awards IDEA. The top innovation award is to be presented at a conference in Miami on March 30. But as the company looks to scale internationally, it hopes to also keep aspects of production in Jamaica.
We do have a huge venture capitalist sort of culture that we're trying to build. If that is something that can happen, we're open to it. But right now, the persons who have been calling us are persons who are international big names. And so we go in with an open mind, but with the understanding that this is a Jamaican product. And we would like to reserve some of the work for us here as Jamaicans.
Lifesavers is currently awaiting final U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission certification, but already they've begun the build-out of another product which can detect urinary tract infections. Now to the latest news from our currency market today. It's costing an average $153.61 for the U.S. currency. $122.04 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $200.79 that is for the pound, while the euro is trading at an average $172.66. Meanwhile, the JSE index advanced by 3,059 points today, while the junior market index declined by 39 points. Among today's winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, Edufocal, JMMB Group's 7.5% shares, Mayberry Investments, and Wigton Wind Farm, while on the losing side were Fosterich, Kingston Properties, Lasco Financial Services, Cargo Handlers, and JFP. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.